Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from a Paysafecard to Revolut. Alright, let's begin. To transfer money from Paysafe to Revolut, you must have a Paysafe MasterCard debit card. This process will not work with a Paysafe prepaid card, as Revolut does not support transfers from those. First, open the latest version of the Revolut app. On the home screen, select the currency account where you want to add money. Tap the plus sign and choose Add Money. You will see different funding methods, including salary, linked cards, and others. To add funds using a Paysafe card, tap Add Card Securely. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once the card is added, you can transfer any amount within the available balance of your Paysafe MasterCard debit card. Make sure your card is active and has sufficient funds for the deposit. After confirming the amount, the money will be transferred to Revolut immediately. You can repeat this process as often as needed. However, remember this only works for Paysafe MasterCard debit cards. So that's basically how you can transfer money from a Paysafe card to Revolut. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.